Hello everyone, this is Sidesh from Ankit STXM INC. Today we are here for the process of signing up in the JVF platform, on the JVF platform. Firstly, I would like to thank all of you for registering yourself on the JVF platform. I also hope that you all are fine and safe at your homes, at your respected places. So let's begin with the registration. So today I'm going to show you how you can register yourself for the free listing on the site. So let's begin. First, you have to open a Google page like this, and then type in jewelry virtual fair on the in the search bar, and then just do a Google search. You have to click on the first link, the jewelry virtual fair link. You have to click on this link. Then you will see this page opening up. On the left hand side, on the top, you have three a menu button. You click on the menu button. You go on the exhibitors panel, and then you have a sign in button over here. You click in the sign in button. Since now you don't have an account, you do the sign up. Don't have an account, so you do the sign up. You always sign in with your email address because it is easier for you to keep a track on your products and on your page. So it is. So when you sign up, when you click on the sign up with email, you have this page that comes up. So fill in your details. So I'll fill in mine, Siddesh. Then put in the email address that you want to sign up with. So I have created an email address for this. So I'll put that. You have this email address ready now. Put in a password, any password that you think. Then click on both of these, and then you do a sign up. You will have this message that will reads that you have successfully completed your sign up. Please go to the email address, email and check for the link. So when you go on the email, you have a mail from the jewelry virtual fair. So you have to click here and click on this link. When you click on this link, you will be redirected to the jewelry virtual fair, where you will see this dialog coming up, which reads you have not created your page yet. So you want to create your page, so create a new page. When you create a new page, you have several options that you can select from: manufacturers, buyers, wholesalers, shopkeepers, designers, manufacturers and machineries and accessories, media, e-commerce, tools and service. So fill in the any of this design, any of the categories which is suitable for you. So for let's consider, for me, I'll consider my machineries and accessories. Then I'll press a continue on it. Will be directed to the next page, which reads country. So you select your country. I That goes India. Then you select your address, unit number B3. Then you go town, put in your town, that is province, the state that you are in. Zip code is compulsory, because then it is easier for the website to locate you on the map. So always use a zip code. Currency which you want to display on your web page, so you can choose euro, USD, pounds, Thai baht, Turkish lira, rupees, Bangladeshi dollars, or anything that you want. So I'll choose Indian rupees, and then continue. As you can see, the because if you fill in your correct address, the map, it will directly connect you with the Google map and locate your company. So you can always change this once you are into the page. So you can just check over here, or you can also change it from here if you want to shift it. So if I want this thing to come here, I can put it like this way, or if I want it to come here, or I want to put it over here, I can keep it anywhere. So you can always check if you are right or not on the map. Always use this because it is helpful when you create a page. You could click continue. Your email address where you want the customers to contact you, so you can fill in that email address. I'll keep the same. Your phone number, your website if you have any websites. So for example, we have a website called www.kitft.in. That's our website. And any social profile. So if you have anything on Facebook, or you have anything on Instagram, you can also use that. So if you have something on Instagram, you can also use that. So you have to put the link over here. Similarly, you can add a one more profile. You can put the link over here of the Facebook. You can put a link here of Twitter. So you can keep copying and pasting the link over here. That is not a problem. Then you save this. So you can read this. It's like you can now begin your business activity presentation. So you will need to write about you. So you will have to do this first, about you, name of your business. So many of you will not be having a company which is registered, or a company which is or a company you might be working on your own names. So you can keep your name also over here. That is not a problem. So you don't really have to need to have a company that is registered. So you can have, for example, if I didn't have a company, I could have kept Siddesh Varsali. If you're a single designer, or if you're a small manufacturing unit who doesn't have a proper name and you want to keep a name, you can. So basically, this is going to be your name on your web page on this JVF platform. So anything that you put over here is going to be the name on your JVF platform. Motto, our motto, whatever your one liner, if you don't have one, make one liner which is which is going to be suitable for your business. So whenever a customer reads, he understands what you are doing for what your company exactly is doing, or what services you are providing, or what kind of jewelry manufacturing are you doing, or what kind of designing are you doing, or anything in that sense. So for us it is. So now if you can see, it's like one-stop solution for jewelry manufacturers. So basically, when you read this motto, people get into mind, अच्छा इन लोगों के पास ज्वेलरी का machine मिलता रहेगा, or they might be getting something which is some consumables or something like that, where for the related, which is related to jewelry, for jewelry manufacturing. So you can keep that as your anything as your motto that is sufficient for your business. Upload a image. Always upload a logo over here, because that is what you want to show your customers what your company is, because you don't have a present over here right now. So you can always so I'm going to upload a logo over here, and this is upload. See, this logo is not complete proper because the logo is coming out, so you need to adjust the size. You can So I have an adjusted size already over here prefixed. So oh sorry, that size is too small, I suppose. I'm sorry. We'll keep this as of now. So you can adjust the size. You can also, and then you press continue. So you can put a header image if you have anything like a banner thing that you want your company to be your page to be seen on. So basically you need to make your page look beautiful, because if it is beautiful, people are going to be attracted to see it. You're going to attract more amount of online trafficking, because this is basically kind of a showroom. It's kind of your display unit on the internet. So you need to keep it as attractive as possible, as creative as possible. Currently I don't have one banner, so I will not paste, but yeah, you can obviously have a banner. It's always optional, but I strongly recommend for all the people to put a banner over here, which is, which will be very helpful. Any photos of your business. So now this is like, if you have a photo of your company, if you have a photo of three, four people of your company, or if you have a photo of your factory, a small photo of your factory that you can put in over here, or a presentation of a company that you can put in over here. You can you sorry, a presentation, not a presentation video exactly, but that will come in the next step. But any images of your company, or any images of your exhibition stalls that you have, and you can upload it over here. Now YouTube link of your video. So we do have a YouTube channel. So there you so this is our YouTube channel. If you've not subscribed, subscribe it. You're gonna get a lot of useful informations on this channel. So I'll just copy this link and paste it over there for as of now. Or you know what, I'll go and just copy this link and go here and paste it. Paste the link. Save. So this is your channel, your YouTube channel's video that is over here. You can continue. Describe your activities. So basically you can write about your company. How old is your company? What is your company doing? And how long it has been performing? And what are your expertise? And what do you expertise on? So you can do that. You can describe about your company. If you have any brochure of a company which you think can be uploaded, one PDF file or something which is, a one page thing that you can upload, you can surely put it over here. So I'll just write about my company over here right now. Similar this way, and then continue. Go ahead. Now You filled in your basic information, you filled in about you, and now comes the catalog. So you will have to put in good images. We're very sure about this. You need images which is more than 72 dpi. So anything below that, the email, the website will not agree to, the website will not take in consideration. So I let me show you one uploadation of your product, how you can upload. So let's say I'll take a necklace. I just write some random description. I've not put in price. You can add the keywords that you want your customer to search. So for example, I add jewelry collections. What I can do is I can write women's jewelry or wedding jewelry. What I can say here is necklaces. Yeah, what metal I have used, or what material, like if it's 18 karat gold, 22 karat gold, you can add that. If any stones are in there, you can obviously put that, like ruby. I had a ruby on that. You have to give a good description about a jewelry. Always remember that the better description, better attraction of people on your products. Price, it's totally upon you. If you want to write in the price, you can write in the price. If you don't want to write in the price, it is completely fine. Product code, you need to give product code over here. You can have your own product codes as per your factory norms, or as per your company norms, and you can put in those product codes over here. Now comes to the main part of the thing, that is the image. So whenever you upload an image, please note that, sorry, please note that your image should be of uh, three things: a good image, a high resolution image. If you want to know more about the high resolution image, you can contact us and we will help you out. Second, your image should not have a black background. It should be a white background. So for example, I'm showing you, this is a white background. I'll upload this. You should always remember that the background images, the image should be in a white background, and it should be of a high resolution. Then we go up to the next step, that is the product specification. So you can write in about your product, like what is used in it, what metal is used, if any color, if any Meenagiri is done, so you can write about the Meena thing over there. If any color stones are used, you can write about the color stones. If it is some like if it is in rose gold, you can mention that the product is in rose gold. If it is in pink gold, you can mention it as in pink gold or white gold. You can give your product description as and when you are as in when about your product. Sales conditions over here, you can write in your sales conditions, or whatever your terms and conditions are, like 50% advance, 60% advance, or full advance, or whatever XYZ, depending upon your companies and your company's policy. You can also write over here, call for more information, and then you just save the thing. So here your product is ready. You can add more products, you can add such more products, but you can remember this is a free listing, so you can only add up to 10 products on this. If you want to have an unlimited access to adding of your products, if you want to have an unlimited access of uploading products, you will have to contact our team and get in more for more details about it, right? So now we exit this page and we'll go for the preview. So now this is what you have completed. Now you've completed 100% of your page. You go for a preview of the page. So when you go for the preview of your page, your name of your company is over here, your motto of your company is over here. Here is the contact button. So if anyone clicks over here, will be directed to this dialog box, where you will have to specify your email, specify what email to reply to, request to subject, and your message, and then you will have to send in the message. So for example, if I require them to send an email, as I and some subject. Right, and then you put send request. I agree to the you send me my email address to the recipient and use it for a request to follow. So the email will be sent to the company, to my company, and the company will reply. Then you can reply it to you. You profile of about a company, anything that about a company you have written will be written over here. Catalog products, so you will have 10 different catalog products over here, 10 different products on a free listing page that you can be displayed over here. If you have put in your Facebook link, or if you've been put your Instagram handle, or if you put a Twitter handle, all your social medias will be posted over here. The address of your company, and as a starting in the starting, as I told you, there will be a map that will help people to locate our company on the Google map. So this is the Google map that people can use for coming to your company as well. And then there is the presentation link that I have put in the starting, the YouTube presentation link. If you play this, the presentation link will be played automatically. Similarly, I have created another page of Ankit ST Jewelry. If you can see, I'll just show it to you, which is a bit more appealing in the looks. So sorry, yeah, here you go. Ankit ST Jewelry. So I've kept the company's name Ankit ST Jewelry, and then I've kept we provide the most executive jewelry products, something like that. And then this is the contact again over here, and this is the address that I've put over here again. Profile of the company. This is done a bit better because it's just a kind of a demo page for the people to look into. So I've kept it a bit in a better way. I have uploaded 10 different images over here, 10 different kind of designs over here. Okay, these are very well photographed and on a wide background. We don't have any like this kind of image is not recommendable. I've also uploaded some not so good images, because this kind of images why is not acceptable, because of the shadow that is there. So this will not give a good look to your customer. And you can see the stones, they don't shine so well. The clarity of the stones is not that good. So it's preferable if you put such kind of images, like this kind of images, which is having a good background, white background, good shines on the stones, because this is a product that is going to be displayed to the customer. The customers are going to look into this product and contact you for the more information, or contact you for the other thing. So yeah, this is it about registration. For any other doubts, you can call us on our number, or you can give us write us on the email address, or you can, or some of you might have my direct WhatsApp number also, so you can give me a call on the, or you can drop in a message on that. And in the end of the video, you will have our contact details also, so you can surely give us a call on that. Okay, thank you. Hope you would like this video, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we'll be keeping posting such more videos on that YouTube channel. And there are a lot of other informative videos about the jewelry industry also on our YouTube channel. So yeah, please do like our YouTube channel or subscribe our YouTube channel. And if any doubts, get back to us. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.